Day 300 of trying to get a needle bearing out. Let's see if I can get it. Alright, so this is the 1997 Honda Civic. I was doing a clutch kit replacement. The pilot bearing right here. Usually Nissans it sits on the crankshaft, or other models, but the Hondas it sits right here on the flywheel. Don't know where the pilot bearing is now, but you're gonna have to take out the flywheel to get to the pilot bearing. And just use a number 18 or 19 and just center it, pop it off, and that's it. Here it is. So this one I tried taking out with bread, didn't even work out for me. And it sits right there. Hopefully in the future it might not give me any problems, but that's how you take it out. Alright, so this is gonna be the install. Pilot bearing already tapped it in a little bit just so it could get on there. I don't care about the flywheel. It's AutoZone lifetime warranty clutch, so when I choose to upgrade or do something like the turbo, or which I'm not. But here we go. Nice and even.
Remember I used it at Maria's house? I used
There we
my
go.
tablet. My grandma.
Now that it's in there, we don't have to touch that anymore.